up, guys? So you're hanging out in the shop, the dog. The weather's trying to get better out here, so let's dust off the old Softail. I don't have running water, so I warmed up some water in a pot. So, you know, I do it by section, blow it down with the air gun. This bike's 25 years old. It's got a lot done to it. Ridden it a few thousand miles for sure with a couple of good buddies. But anyways, it's just, it's looking hella dusty and, you know, like it's filthy. I started working on it already, just getting this, the back end's kind of getting, is done, sorry. Haven't got to this side yet, so let's get her all freshened up. All right, like I said, I don't have running water in here. So you just gotta give her the old hole in the expensive water bottle trick here, just to get her rinsed off, you know? I mean, I'm not complaining. At least I got bottled water. We're getting a lot of rain this weekend. And you know what that means? The house is wet. So we're gonna suck some water off the floor here. Boys got a decent amount done. A few more days of sheeting, and then they'll be on to doing some like installation stops, but most of those are already done. But yeah, it's almost half sheeted. You can see all the rafters are in and everything. Here's the inso stops in there. Other than that, I'm just gonna start getting up all this gross shit that's, you know, could potentially mold if you don't deal with it right away. This area is not sheeted yet, so it poured and we're wet. We're gonna try to suck up all this gross sawdust too. So, alrighty, rock and roll. See where the dog is. Hey Molly, where you at, dog? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know what, the sun's going down, and figured let me show you the pretty much 95% sheeted roof, and we can have a good view of the town from up there. The boys have been going hard. They were here on Saturday, worked a little later today as well, but they're getting close. Shingles might even be going on this week. Go dark, it isn't here. Oh, no, you said being so dark in here. Anyways, let's go check it out, shall we? Okay, might have to put you down for one moment just so I don't wipe out. We'll see. Oh, got her. We got her, boys. We got her, boys. Oh, check that out. Almost done. Almost done. Beautiful. It's finally getting nice out here. Got a lot of work to do in this damn yard though. This is the steep part.
Holy crap. Now we're at the top.
We are
pretty much eye level with those willows down there.
but it is a good view, let me tell you what.
It's cool. Kind of see how they do this. Get their valleys and everything all done. Looks nice and clean. Like, they do a nice job, these boys. Come over here.
So it's just with the kids swimming, I don't know, sneezed a few times on the way home there and almost stuffed up. Must be that chlorine.
Or some sick kid was sneezing on me in the damn waiting room. I don't know. Anyways, this is what we got left.
We'll have that beat by tomorrow. Oh, look at this. That was not on earlier. Now it makes sense. I was like, man, that roof seems really odd. But they had to put this piece on first. Now they'll sheet that, get their valleys in there, and they're gonna stick frame the front entryway. I guess they got a little bit to do here yet too. But all in all, it's coming. It's coming close. And then another, I think another like little valley throughout here as well.
But yeah, check it out. Pretty cool.
All right.
Let's go down and see what the house feels like inside now that it's all sheeted up.
It's a lot darker, that's for damn sure. I had it all cleaned up yesterday. Let's see what kind of mess these boys left me. To be honest, I don't think it's all that bad. Wow. It sure feels a hell of a lot different now that it's sheeted. Wow, eh? Trying to get a feel for the daylight that we're going to be getting in here, but it's kind of hard because that's so dark there up top, but this is what it's looking like. We'll probably get some shots of the guys doing the roof as well. Maybe introduce ourselves to them, and so that's going. I'll eventually be tying that stuff in there. The plumbers are going to start this week. Sheet metal's hopefully going in this week. We'll see how it goes. So if we getting some rain again, but yeah, it's kind of what you're looking at now that the roof is on. Just a lot of sticks. I'm excited for this portion to go on as well. This will be cool. As you can see, a lot of landscaping to do.
Well, guys, that's about all I got for you today. Like I said, I've just been kind of letting them do their thing up there, get it done. Do a couple drone shots, maybe once the roofers are up there. We got a few things to finish in here, like we're gonna move that window up. Might drop that one in the kitchen down a little bit. We're gonna take this wall, bring it down the same height as this. Obviously, we gotta fix all this stuff. There's a few little things that have to go in yet. There's no entry into our master, walk-in closet, little stuff like that we gotta do yet, but otherwise it's getting close to rough-in electrical, rough-in sheet metal, and plumbing. So that should be fun because it's all my buddies, so it'll be a good time. Other than that, I'm gonna sign off. See you on the next one. guys, welcome back to the channel. We got some shingles dropped off this morning, and the Buchans are here cleaning up the place. A little backfill action. Might have a front end loader coming just to get some extra work done. So set you up and you guys can watch Ryan work his magic here. All right.